fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change you and we're rising, we're falling.
Dito na yung mga taga Mindanao. Transfer kami, terminal. Terminal transfer. We're going to Terminal 1. Yeah. Jason the bikers. Si Rico the runner. Ayan. Biker, yaman. Bikers. So we're going here. Transfer to. Philippines. Cebu pa. Terminal 1. Okay na? Yeah. March 8, 2019. So we're going to Taipei with
China,
man. Yes. See you. Para uwi ka, Chris. So okay, matulog sa may kay murag taas-taas ang gaya. So update later. Bye-bye. Good morning, Taiwan. Good morning. Okay, now to disembarking. Woo! Bana, so good nagbug now. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Tagbilaran City. Ayos na. Welcome to Taiwan. Hello guys, hello. Welcome to Taiwan, Chris. First time eh, Chris. First time namin. First time namin lahat. We are from the Pilipinas. This is the temperature here in Taiwan. 14 degrees. Outdoor na siya.
Ano siya?
Gigol-gol na siguro.
Ilan tabi sa sulod kasi kung sulod pwede pa alam.
Where are we going? Going to change money? Change money. The riding trash can. ATM. 14 degrees. 14 degrees reaction. We're going to our bus. It's raining here in Taiwan. I think it's always raining. Oh, where's the bus? Okay, let's move. Ito yung bus namin.
Asan bag, sir?
Lalong, sir?
And then we're going to order the breakfast. So we have two choices. One is chicken muffin and the other one is pork muffin and coffee or tea. So raise your hand for chickens.
Chicken.
Okay.
Everybody love chicken.
Okay, one more time. I'm not going to ask about pork. Okay, so pork is less, right? Pork. Pork, only one, two, only two, three. We only three. Okay, then rest our chicken. Chicken.
Okay.
Okay, coffee or tea? Okay, raise your hand for tea.
Tea.
One, only one for tea. Okay, so no, I'm asked less, and rest will be the only one for tea, right?
Yeah.
So three for pork, right? Okay.
McDonald's in Taiwan and tea. I don't like coffee, man. I have McDonald's in Taiwan, McDonald's in Taiwan, and a tea, man. It's too early. McDonald's tea. Dong, McDonald's tea. Wala sa ito, ano? Wala pa ito sa amin. So we're going to travel 90 minutes for our first destination.
Many districts, and cover more than 2,000 square kilometers. We are now in New Taipei City, and we're going to have 7 lanterns. New Taipei City is Yangmingshan on your left-hand side. So when we do our city tour from 6 a.m. to 12 midnight, and you can
Nice, man. It's China Sea. It's China Sea. Shit. Hey guys, we're here at first destination, and it's raining, and we need to wear our raincoat, man. How much is a raincoat? 20.
I have a umbrella here.
Oh my god. Kumusta? Kabayan?
Can't understand.
Can't understand.
Chinese.
Kuya, giniginaw ka lang ba, kuya?
Malamig.
Ha?
Malamig ko sa
Malamig dito. So we're going to the rock formation. Welcome to Taiwan! Woo! Video? Video yan! Video! Kumusta kayo dyan? So it's raining, Taiwan! Bang! People are going inside to see the rock formation. It's the rock formation. Ano? Oh, ito no? This one, man. The most famous one. Queen's Head. Let's go. The fairy shoe. Mga dilawan! Oy, mga dilawan! Hindi kami!
Diretso.
Ha? Hindi kami mga bobo!
Dormitory is nothing in here. So you only like the normal. Okay.
Sorry guys, it's very rainy. Hirap na film. Dangerous for tourists, do not cross. Ah, oh my god. Too many tourists, man. Woo. It's very cold, man. Rock formation here in Yehliu GEOPARK. Edge of the island. Look at that. Lisod kayo kung picture kay it's raining ni sakit sa kamot. They just arrived in our hotel. Sige. Fire. Okay guys, my roommate Chris.
Hello.
We're staying on the 10th floor of the hotel. So
009. Di sana.
room 1010. Alright, this is our room. Wah!
Let's go, motherfucker.
Let's go, man.
Uy, may babae oh.
Oh, sir. Asa room ka? Ah. Ikaw, bala dia. Ay, nakatulog yung kagkuhan.
Dato na to gumati. Walang tanag. Milyonaryo.
This is 7,000 per head, man.
Yeah!
So, yo. So,
Yo!
we will take a rest first, and we will eat dinner at 6 p.m. and the rest is history.
Yeah!
And the rest will be history. So okay guys, so we just finished our tour today. So yeah,
Dong, passport sa wifi na to dong, Tintin.
8 to 10.
Ha?
What? 8 to 10.
8 ka, te?
Adili, 10 ka 8 eh.
Ha?
10 ka 8. So my shoes are wet because here in Taiwan it's always raining. It's always raining in the mountain.
It's raining, man.
So hopefully tomorrow it always rain. It still rain.
Give it dong!
Shut up, man. So guys, this is our beautiful view, man. Yeah. We're on the 10th floor of the fallen hotel.
Papa
Right.
Will.
Huh? Papa Will. So yeah. Okay sa amin. Kaya murag apoy na kayo. Wa pa may tulog. Gabilar na sa daw. Murag.
What?
Murag.
3 AM flight na to, dire na abot.
Lupig pa yun.
Bye.
Lupig pa yun naman dyan.
Lupit pa na nagbilar. Lupit pa naman dyan.
So that's all for the vlog today. Bye bye guys. To the old street.
Where is it here?